Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, happy Easter. Isn't that a great moment of time to be alive? And as we celebrate Easter, we remember that time. We remember the reflections of God or Jesus Christ at that moment of time of Easter. Easter Friday, he was crucified, and a couple of days' time, 3 days later, he was resurrected. Isn't that profound? That those metaphor of life 2017 years ago still applies to us today. Now, what is that going to do with trading? Simple. If you haven't learned anything about these new transitions and new high frequency trading platforms, then you're missing out because of their reflections of something has to die for something new to arrive. So if you have not learned anything about high frequency trading platforms or binary options, stock market, forex, CFD, whatever in these new platforms, then it's like you got to die. Meaning all the things you have learned in the past, they all have to die literally, for Christ's sakes, for you to be able to embrace what is new. Are we getting the idea? Easter is that time of the year. It's like Christmas, it's very similar. Something new, something old, New Year's coming up later in around about Christmas time. Easter is one of those classic time for this metaphor to become a reality. So what am I talking about? Okay, if you don't know anything about generating income with these high frequency trading platform, this is the resurrection. The resurrections of your income, for Christ's sakes. Now, get on with me. Get your head twisted around a bit to understand. You're not going to understand completely all of it anyway, but that's not the point. The point is you taking something by faith, trusting that your ability to be able to trade successfully in these high frequency trading platforms will be a success. See, nothing comes to any human being without a lot of faith driven to succeed within that field wherever you are. But at this point in time, we're looking at Freesignals. Freesignals is a platform specifically designed with an algorithm to take trades from this particular software to trade on a asset that it picks for you to trade on the platform. In this particular case, I'm with, as I said, Freesignal. And the platform that's been allocated by the software for me to trade with is binary tilt. The beauty about it is everything is digital, everything is clickable, but the problem is, bear in mind, signals. Signal is our biggest enemy, because by the time you send a signal from your computer to binary or to a signal, then to binary option or your broker, that millibillions of a seconds of signal has to be perfect. Otherwise, it's going to go out of whack and your trade's going to be out of whack also. But it's not the end of the world. Please, it's not the end of the world. Just trade the opposite if the auto trader is trading in the wrong direction. Just do the opposite. It's a simple process. So at least you know if the auto trader is giving you wrong signals, well, at least it is a signal alone that you can trade the opposite directions. Anyway, what I'm excited about is to share with you this little beauty. Where was I? Where was I? I saw it here. Oh, here we go. Setting. Check it out. Check it out. This is, I mean, you know, I'm sure you know all these settings. I prefer to use martingale, these free indicators, and you pick your asset that you wish. Okay? It's entirely up to you. This is the freedom. You don't have to follow everybody else. But if you see something, a good movement in any of these currency pairs, then you follow it because you can see it. It doesn't matter what everybody else says. As long as you're making money at the end of the day, for Christ's sakes, that's the key. But anyway, that's another story. I already made videos of that one. This is the one I wanted to share today. Because it's Easter, something new, see? Something new is going to be resurrected. Following some of the successful traders' actions or their trades. Okay, you just got to copy them. Now, how that in reflection on your broker, it's quite simple. It's, where is it? Where did I see it? Social trading. And this particular platform, it's called social trading. So you go into your social trading. This is the same platform, as I said, Signal Freesignal has given me, and these copy settings comes from here. Social trading. Social trading, as I said, you're generally just following one of the top traders on that platform at that moment of time, just copying whatever they're doing. Of course, it is quite expensive. It's only expensive because it is working, for Christ's sakes. That's why they're charging us a higher rate of entry to trade, because the accuracy is it's quite good, because these high ranking traders are trading so well, they read the market, you know. Well, sometimes just copying it is the best than trying to learn it yourself. So you're copying some of the master of the game, and you're going to profit from it. Now, this is one, as I said, I wanted to show you, this is part of the resurrection, you know, the part of the Easter meaning. And if you follow somebody who's mostly successful, see, you don't have to follow me. You can follow somebody who's highly successful, as it is stated on this platform. Just like I'm going to show you in this next video, some of the highly successful traders using some of these auto binary robots. And my friend Seth from England, I'm going to introduce you to him, and I'm going to show you some of his videos that he actually applies a lot of the third-party signals to make sure the signals that the auto trader is giving goes in line with what the market is doing. So this is the other side of the assets that I wanted to show and share with you. So let me open that video for you, and you can enjoy.
Early morning, guys, to everyone here. This is Seb from BuyingTheOptionsProductView.com. Now, this is quite an interesting one. I've had called Freesignal.com, and a lot of you said it's very, very similar to Option Robot and Automated Binary. Now, I need to say a few things first. Now, I'm probably looking at the brokers, 24 option, Empire option. I presume the Empire options for US clients. BD Swiss. I might have to change to BD Swiss, actually. I don't think 24 option will let me sign up, but I'm going to try in a second. But yeah, this is Freesignals, it's called. It's very similar to Option Robot. You've got the settings here that you can change. You know, it's very, very similar. I've just input in my trend and MACD, as you can see there. You got your copy settings, the gain access this, yes, you must deposit. So it looks like I am going to have to give it a go if I do want to try it. So I might as well receive a phone call from 24 option, which is very, and I just had to explain to them that I was just about to go to bed, and the software had automatically placed a trade, which I absolutely do not like whatsoever. I don't know why it's done that. It placed one automatic trade for me. So I did do my 1,000 deposit. It is showing. I have yet to verify my account, which is also as Option Robot. Or am I going to do something completely different? Now, let's go to charts and rates. Refresh the economic calendar. Here we go. Let's launch this. Let's have a look-see. So what is everything saying now? Euro, USD. Okay. So no, USD JPY is on a downwards trend. It says call, which I'm not going to do that because that's conflicting. Euro JPY. You're asking about this apparently. USD Euro JPY. I'll do that one because that's just come up to a green candle. What's the next one? USD CAD. Okay, that's still going up. Wow, that is really, really flat. But it's going down at the moment. USD CAD says call. You know, there's a red. Oh, it's turned into a green candle. So let's do that one. Now Euro JPY. It's still going up. That's good for us. Euro JPY. I'm just looking at the trade. That says put, but I'm going to leave it as that because I just want to see these trades come in a second. Okay, so we're just out of the money, unfortunately. Euro JPY. USD CAD is in the money. Sorry if I'm being really quiet. It's that I've got. Let me go back to Euro. USD and USD says cool. Oh, now it says put. Really? Ah, actually, maybe because is that going to go into the red candle? I'm not actually sure. Let's have a look. Okay, that was out the money. It's a bit unfortunate. And this one. Okay, it's there. Alrighty. Oh, there's no signal now for it. Okay, what's the next one? USD JPY. Oh, there's a lot of JPY about to hit, actually. So that's That's going to be really, really, really bad. What's the main rule that I say? Never trade on a signal service on a JPY, but I'm going to do it anyway. I think the Japanese yen's really weak. Euro JPY. What's Euro JPY saying? A put. Okay, it's a red candle. Oh no, that's out the money, man. Green candle now. I don't know what to do with the Euro JPY, but right now the USD JPY is not doing me any favour. Oh, now it's red. No! Oh, wait. Wrong. Okay, sorry. There we go. Put. Oh, it's in the money. Ooh, okay. Now I need another JPY currency pair. USD JPY, GBP USD. No, there's no other JPYs. Oh, that's really, really annoying. No, that's not allowed. Okay, it's still going down. Euro USD is now going down. There's a put signal. But I just want to do 2 trades at a time. I don't want to go overboard. I just want to try and get a little bit of profit, then I'm going to go to bed. Yes! Come on! I can't believe that one come out of the money. That's a real big shame as well. Let's see if this one does any better. Come on! It's dropping though. It's dropping. I don't know how much by. What's the economic calendar saying? It's money supply, foreign investment. Oh dear me, I just clicked on it by accident. Whoops, okay. USD still going. Now, doing this to show you guys that I am testing the waters on this software. Whether it will be good or not in the long term, I'm not sure. We're giving it a go. There's a demo mode that you can try. Now, be very, very clear, the demo mode is a demo.